Hey guys, and welcome to this week's episode of Luxury Living NYC, where we're going to take you on a tour of a fabulous apartment on 107th Street, just off of this beauty behind me, which is Central Park. So we're going to 5 West 107th Street. We're going to see apartment 1D, and I can't wait to take you on a tour. Shall we? Yes. Wait, before we do though, I'm going to need you to like, subscribe, send this to a friend. Who do you know that's looking to move to the Upper West Side and want something that's beautiful, affordable, and literally right next to this gem behind me? Let's go. Hello, welcome home to 1D at 5 West 107th Street. Okay, so something I absolutely love about this is if you don't live here yet, one thing you'll notice immediately is that everybody wants to come and visit you. Well, this is the home for that. You're right next to Central Park and the layout configuration is absolutely phenomenal. So let's get started, shall we? So first, now we have it set up as an office, and actually I gotta tell you, I kind of like wanna live here now. I just love it. Oh my God. But you do have a window. This was set up originally as a bedroom. This current owner just uses it as an office, the cutest configuration of an office, and full-size washer and dryer. If you want to turn this back into a closet, you absolutely can, and these can likely be relocated downstairs. But for her needs, this worked out perfectly. And this beautiful unit that is only listed for $1 million also has 2.5 bathrooms. Check it out. This is the kitchen, which also has a window. The window actually goes out to the air shaft, so it's not gonna be, street facing or something super bright, but it is a window to kitchen, which is fantastic, especially if you like to cook. And these ceilings, look at how tall they are. I love that she has the pots hanging up there. It's absolutely brilliant. All right, so we do have dining space and living space. And something that I love is because you have some steps coming up into the building, while this is a first floor, you're not on that ground level. You are actually a little bit higher. So when you're sitting in the living room and whatnot, you don't even really see any of the cars. But something that I think is brilliant, she has these shades that come up from the bottom so that if you want to, you're just looking at the shades. How great is that? All right, so here we are in the primary bedroom. I love the size of this room, but also for $1 million, you're getting a walk-in closet right next to Central Park. Yes, you are. And it's en suite. So again, orchid down. So maybe it's good luck. What do you think? So again, you have a window in your bathroom, beautifully renovated, ensuite walk-in closet, large primary, $1 million. It was so shocking, the orchid fell out. Hello. Now, I'm gonna show you the bonus space. As if this isn't enough, right? 2 bed, 2 full bath for $1 million. I know, it's amazing. And there's more. Okay, so look at this huge downstairs space. I mean, there is a window. It's not a large window. So, you could, of course, live down here full time if you wanted to, but this is also the perfect space for when you have visitors. This space is huge. You can put extra blow-up mattresses. You could turn this into like a rec room if you want. And something that I love is since it has a spiral staircase, you can actually come down to this floor outside of the unit and then come in through the downstairs, which is so nice if you have people traveling with luggage, etc. They can still come down here. And they have their own half bath. Again, 2.5 baths, plus this gigantic bonus room right next to Central Park. Winning. You're winning life in this place. But for real, if you want to tour this absolutely lovely opportunity, I'm just gonna say it, it's a steal, be sure to reach out to us ASAP before somebody else does. If you know somebody that wants a pied-à-terre here, be sure to send it to them. You are right next to the park. There are fabulous restaurants in the area. There's grocery stores. You have a Whole Foods nearby. You have another one even closer. Transportation is right here. Everything you need and more is in this neighborhood. It is so fantastic. So be sure to send this to someone you know who is thinking about moving to New York City. And then if you don't live in New York City, maybe they will be able to invite you over because you can come and stay down here. All right, enough said. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. I am.
Oh my God. Oh, this is still rolling.